Excellencies, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, my heartfelt greetings to all of you. At the outset, while delivering a coordinated Commonwealth COVID-19 response, I wish to express my deepest condolences and concern at the loss of lives due to COVID-19. We acknowledge the tremendous contribution of the numerous frontline health service providers as well as other civic bodies in saving precious lives. India undertook COVID-19 management with the highest level of political commitment by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, under whose guidance our response to COVID-19 has been proactive, preemptive and graded. India took all necessary and timely steps, including surveillance at points of entry, evacuation of our nationals abroad, surveillance in community through disease surveillance network, health infrastructure strengthening, training and capacity building of health staff, risk communication and community involvement as part of its management efforts. In implementing the world's largest lockdown to prevent the spread of this pandemic, we are aiming to protect lives by mitigating the explosive growth of the disease and by ensuring that our healthcare system is able to cope up with the growth of the disease. At the same time, we are also mindful of saving lives as well as livelihoods and are therefore keeping all essential services out of the purview of the lockdown. Our Prime Minister has announced an economic package of more than $265 billion to support economic recovery as well as to support vulnerable segments of our population. We are gradually easing the restrictions, especially in areas where we have managed to contain the disease. It is critical to build and strengthen core capacities of developing countries, particularly the least developed countries, for future preparedness, response and resilience. India has been the first country to urge consolidated global action to fight the challenge of COVID-19. We convened a meeting of SAARC leaders in our region in mid-March, in which the need for coming together, not growing apart, collaboration, not confusion, and preparation, not panic, was underlined. These are the elements that signify India's response to this crisis. India has provided essential medicines such as hydroxychloroquine to almost 100 needy countries, extending solidarity and support during this time of crisis. It is important to work on the causes of the pandemic and discover drugs and vaccines to control transmission and prevent recurrence. It is also important to facilitate universal and affordable access to all relevant medical products and technologies, both existing and new. These should be made available in a fair and equitable manner to tackle COVID-19. Indian scientists are working on discovery of vaccine, drugs, as well as development of cost-effective diagnostic kits and various life-saving equipment with the active support of the Government of India. We need to mutually support and share our best practices and explore innovative ways to address new threats and challenges in the post-COVID era. Thanks all of you.